Hi, I'm Nakita and I'm a model, actor, MC and a BBA student. So I always felt that long hair suited me, so I never wanted to take the risk of cutting my hair short. But due to the continuous hairdo, my hair has been really damaged, as you can see how it is, and I really wanted to get rid of this hair. So I came across the Ambassador of Change program on Instagram and I called her Bina and I spoke to her about my hair and she told me exactly what has to be done. So I'm here for the change and I'm very excited.
Hi, I'm Bina Punjani and this is our Ambassador of Change today, Nakita. I'm really excited to do Nakita's hair because she's always kept it long and she's always been worried about going short or doing something different with her hair. Today we are going to be doing something that adds a little spunk and edge to her hair. We are planning to do a cut that ends around her collarbone and give a little bit of a structure to her haircut, add a bit of volume through the top so that even when she's not styling her hair, it looks really nice and strong.